तो बच्चों आज की फिजिक्स क्लास में इतना ही। होमवर्क थोड़ा लाइट रखते हैं, बस एचसी वर्मा का चैप्टर नंबर 6, 2-3 डीपीपी और पिछले 5 साल के पेपर कराना। बाकी चलो एंजॉय करो। लो, इतने काम की टेंशन दे दी और बोल रहे एंजॉय करो। अरे सब आउट ऑफ फोकस क्यों हो गया है? Oh, no. ये फिजिक्स के चक्कर में मेरी बायोलॉजी ना खराब हो जाए। With a significant increase in the screen time in the past couple of months, taking care of eyes has never been so important. With problems like dry eyes, eye strain, redness, itching, and decreased vision, it's clear that our eyes have been the biggest loser of this situation. In this video, I'm going to share with you easy ways, safe eye drops, along with top 3 foods to give the eyes much needed relief. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Starting with number 5 on the list are eye drops. If your screen time is high, keeping eye drops handy is a wise decision. However, with so many options available in the Indian market, each claiming itself to be 100% natural and Ayurvedic, choosing the safe ones can be a task in itself. If we turn to their ingredients, we see that all these have used a concoction of eye-friendly herbs. Looks good at first glance. However, the problem lies with the preservative used. Benzalkonium chloride and phenyl mercuric nitrate are the two synthetic preservatives generally used. Some studies suggest their long-term side effects. Well, why take risk when eye drops can be prepared without using any chemical preservatives? Ayurveda's classical eye drops called Netra Sudarshan Ark, which is a distillate of roots of sacred palash tree, is an effective medicine for dry, itchy and weak eyes. It is even used in Panchkarma to calm the eyes. Above all, it has no potential side effects and is safe for regular use. It is a classical formula and is also available in the market. By the way, you can even make eye drops at home by mixing 5 drops of pure rose water in 30 ml of clean water. Just make sure that you use natural rose water without any preservatives or chemical additives. Eyes are a fat tissue, which is why using oil drops are so calming for dry and strained eyes. If you are looking for an oil-based eye drops, Trifla Ghrith, in which Trifla is boiled in cow ghee, and Santulan's Sunayan oil, which is a blend of eye-soothing herbs in castor oil, are two good options in the Indian market. A homemade replacement can be to use pure A2 Desi cow ghee as eye drops. All in all, now you have 5 safe options. You can pick any one based on your preference and budget. Before going to sleep at night or at any other time, you can put 2 drops in your eyes and give them the much needed recovery. Next on the list is eye protection. Prevention is better than cure, but many a times it is not feasible to prevent ourselves to be away from screens. However, what we can do is install an eye protection thin film on the screen of our laptops and phones. There are 3 kinds of protectors available in the Indian market. First are the ones which are focused solely on reducing the eye strain. Although they are a bit on the pricier side, but they are the most effective and the benefit can be felt within minutes. Considering their utility and benefit, I think this one-time investment is worth your delicate eyes. Second option is that of the privacy filters. Even though their primary use is to keep your privacy from the adjacent seat, they also reduce the strain and brightness of the screen. Comparatively, they are more pocket-friendly. Third are the blue light filters, which reduce the damaging blue light of the devices. Since blue light filters are nowadays a common feature in every laptop and phone, there is no need to buy it. So skip it and choose any one between the first two. For your convenience, I have handpicked some genuine ones and have linked them in the description box. Next on the list is eye relaxation. After a long session online, our eyes feel dry and strained. To calm them down and get an instant cooling effect, there are some easy and effective ways. Probably the laziest of them is to cut 2 round slices of a cucumber and apply them over closed eyes. Keep lying down for about 10 minutes as the cucumber will start its cooling effect. Another option can be to soak cotton in in pure rose water and keep it over the eyes. Being anti-inflammatory, rose water will give an instant refreshing effect. Gond Katira, that is tragacanth gum, generally available in Indian kitchen, is an excellent refrigerant that is amazingly effective too. Soak 2 to 3 pieces of it in water overnight. It will greatly swell in size. Now take a little and in the same way apply it over the eyes as a mask. If you ask me, out of these three, Gond Katira is the most effective. Applying saliva over the eyes, especially just after waking up, is not just inexpensive but is also medicinal for various eye diseases. Just take some of it on the little finger and apply it like a kajal. Another underrated option is to simply fill a mouthful with water and then splash water over the eyes. But why put water in your mouth? This is the smart yogic technique to give more exposure to the eyes, which leads to their better cleaning. Next is the connection with the feet. Just like to get fruits, we water the root of a plant. The root of the eyes lies in the feet. Ayurveda identifies 4 major nerves at the center of feet that connect to the eyes. If we take proper care of the feet, results of it will unfailingly be felt on the eyes. Most effective is to massage mustard oil, ghee or any other cold pressed oil over the soles of the feet. In Ayurveda, this practice is called Padabhyang and is considered prime for eye health. It calms down the whole nervous system. Probably that is why it is recommended to people with insomnia and stress. Another thing that you can do is wash your feet using a pumice stone or just thoroughly by hand while bathing. No doubt walking barefoot on the grass is soothing for the eyes, but one should not walk barefoot on a heated, uneven or tiled surface. It weakens the eye muscles. The connection of eyes with feet is strong, and adhering to these practices, you can significantly improve your eye health. Finally, let's talk about food. Balanced diet is always the right choice, but there are some foods that are exceedingly beneficial for the eyes. In my understanding, the top 3 foods for eyes are A2 desi cow ghee, green moong dal and amla. So let us see the right way to include them in our diet. According to Ayurveda, ghee, which is prepared from curd and not cream using the traditional Bilona method, is the purest form of milk fat and is an elixir for the eyes. Include 2 to 4 teaspoons of it raw, topping it over the curries. As discussed before, this ghee can be used as eye drops as well. Whole moong lentils is another miracle food for the eyes. You can include it either in the form of dal, use it in khichdi, moong dal dosa, or eat it raw in the form of sprouts. Then amla or Indian gooseberry is well known for its rejuvenating action on the eyes. You can boil it with curry or make a pickle out of it. You can also have 4 teaspoons of amla juice with equal amounts of warm water as a morning drink. If you keep these 3 foods in your regular diet, you will see that your eye disorders will start to subside. Then carrots and pomegranates are also helpful for eyes. Just to summarize, keep a safe eye drop handy and put 2 drops of it before going to sleep at night. Try to install a screen protector on your laptop and phone. Relax your eyes anytime using cucumber, rose water dipped cotton pads or Gond Katira eye mask. Our saliva is highly medicinal for eyes and can be applied in and around the eyes. Washing the eyes with mouthful of water gives an instant cooling effect. To massage mustard oil, ghee or any other cold pressed oil over the soles of the feet. Then include A2 desi cow ghee, green moong dal and amla in your regular diet. Following these 5 practices, you can greatly reduce the strain and potential problems associated with the eyes. If you can do all 5, nothing like it. If somehow it is not feasible, try to implement as many as possible. Each one of these has the power to leave a positive impact. Found this video helpful? If yes, then please give a big thumbs up. If you are looking for a traditional cooling drink for this summer, get your hands on Oryx Thandai. Go through its ingredients and you will find that it is naturally sweetened with desi khand and blended with authentic nuts, seeds and herbs. Much different from the commercial Thandai, it has no added sugar syrups, artificial flavors or unwanted fillers. Thandai is not just a cooling energy drink for the summer, it also helps boost immunity and reduce acidity. To enjoy authentic Ayurvedic Thandai, put 2 teaspoons of it in a wet glass made of clay, add boiled milk and mix it thoroughly. Now let it cool down. The best time to have it is in the afternoon when the heat of the sun is at its peak. Rich in antioxidants, it's truly refreshing. To buy Oryx 100% natural Thandai, click on the link down in the description box. Do not forget to apply the special discount coupon to get 15% off on your order. So friends, that's that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.